everybody. I would like to show you today how you can log in to your Teams account so that you can communicate with your friends and with your teacher. The first thing you're going to need to do is to log in to your email account. You can do this by going online and typing in office.com. Everything you need will be here in your email account. So I have already logged into my account before, but let's pretend like I didn't. I would put in my school email address. And remember, my school address, it's going to be your name and your special number. So you sign in. You'll need your password. This is the same password you use to get onto the computer at school. When you sign in, you will come to your email inbox. Maybe you have something here, maybe you don't. What I want you to do is I want you to go to the top corner here where all of your apps are. And I want you to pick Teams. Now you can choose if you want to get the app, like I do down here, or if you just want to use the web app instead. For today, I will use the web app. Now you can see all of the teams that I am part of. I want to work in my Year 4 team today, so I'm going to click on that one. This is where I want to be to get everything I need for my class. I can talk to my teacher. I can join a lesson. I can get my assignments if I need them. I can get any files that I needed them. So this is where you want to be able to go. Again, apps and teams. All right, good luck.